Okay, let's start.
Okay. So, let's start from the beginning. After you logged in, okay,
Yes.
you can open the advanced filter. You just click on advanced,
Yes.
okay, and it will open a filter. Okay, what you need to do is choose. You'll click on the account on the 15 selected. You firstly uncheck all because you will work one account at a time. Okay, so it will no confusion. Okay.
Uncheck all.
What?
I have to uncheck all the accounts and
Sorry, I didn't understand.
you said that I need to uncheck all the account.
Yes, you uncheck all the accounts because we will work one at a time. You will start from the bottom one,
Okay.
and you will go up to the first one.
Okay.
Okay? For now, you will work on this one. Yossi Van Motz Danny.
Yes.
Okay? You just uncheck all and then you choose this one, the bottom one, and you click on the bottom here. This is on View Items.
View item.
Okay?
Yes.
After you choose, you click on View Items, and it will load up all the items on this account. Okay, on this eBay account.
Yes.
So, a good way to remember from where you started, and also I want you to start from there. It needs the most improvement. Okay, so if you click on the length here, it will
arrange them from the smallest one, from the shortest title to the longest title.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Great. So, what you need to do to change the title, okay, you just click on the item you want to work on,
Yes.
which is now the first one in the list, and it will load up its details. Okay?
Yes.
It
Yes.
will show you the item on eBay. It will show you the asking on Amazon.
Yes.
It show you competition keywords from other seller who sold this item, if you can find.
Yes.
Okay?
It will give you all the competition on eBay, and you can look here if someone made a great title or anything. You can use it. Here I see it's not. And you use the title builder, which whatever makes you good title builder.
Title builder, and we can use Terabig also.
I'm sorry.
Terabig.com for building title.
Oh, okay. The team viewer logged me out because I have a problem with commercial use, so I will log on again in 1 minute. Tell me until now if you have any questions, maybe?
No question right now.
Okay. So in 1 more minute I will log in and I will show you how change the title and how to save it.
Okay.
Okay? It's too late for you to work today, right? I'm sorry for
Not
coming today late.
not
I
too
just-
late.
What?
Not too late because I worked I finished my work from 1 a.m. at night, sometimes 2 a.m. at night.
I understand. So you can work as much as you can today if you want.
No, I think I can't work today. I will start from tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. No problem at all. 1 moment, I will log in. I'm sorry about this delay. So basically, will start doing the titles, and it's a big project to finish. You see, there's a lot of items with bad titles. But this is a beginning job for me. I'm really looking to work with someone, to create a good relationship with, and maybe later we work together on other stuff also. So don't see this job as the last job with me.
Okay.
Okay, I logged in. Let's continue. So it will show you the item on eBay, the item on Amazon. I showed you this also already.
Yes.
Let's one how to change the title eventually. So let's close it. So you see the picture. Here is the title area.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Which you need to work on. Okay.
Yes.
So here you change the title. After you change the title, you just click on save. Okay.
Alright, save.
And
Yes, save.
yes.
Okay.
Maybe you want to try to change this title, and then we click save, and we move on. I'll show you how to check it really work.
Yeah. Do I need to change anything beside titles?
If you need to send me defect titles,
No. Do I need to change anything else beside titles?
I will explain one moment. I'll show you one more thing I want you to
Okay.
do also with in addition to the title.
Okay.
It's a small thing. Just I want you, if you see an item here, you can see on the side quantity sold. Okay.
Yeah.
If one or more sold, I want you to also, in addition to changing the title on the default quantity, that will be 3. Okay,
Oh.
if it's sold.
Okay.
Okay. If it had 0 quantity sold, then you don't have
Yes,
you
I
don't
understand.
have to put 3.
Yes.
Leave it like this. So you want to change the title, and then we continue the explanation?
So you want to see how I change the title?
No, I don't have to see. Just write. I don't know. Maybe you get back to it later. Just I'll show you how you. Let's say new, okay? And you
Okay.
click save,
Okay.
and it will ask you, "Are you sure you'd like to perform this action?" You
Okay.
see, you click OK, and then it will turn gray. That means it's working on changing the title. What I need you to do is just open the market, okay? This is the item on my eBay store. You just click on it, and it will open. And check on it. I think you can move on to the next title, but leave this open to check in 1 minute, like if it's
Okay.
Gone through. Okay. Was this clear? You have maybe any questions or anything?
No, it's really very simple and easy.
I'm sorry, you cut out.
I said that it's really very simple and easy. There are no complicated thing.
Yes, it's really easy. What you basically need to do is just find a good title in it. Okay.
Yes, a new has already come.
You see, you change the title, then you change the title, and then
You can close it, and for your comfort, you can mark it as like this, so you know when you stopped at the same day. And if you change the title to a big one, it will, and the next day it will show on the bottom, so you won't have to do it again.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, you're right.
What else I wanted to ask from you? Oh, please, it will show you here or you there. It's now length 17. Okay, please try. It's maximum 80. Please try to use all the.
As much as you can.
Yes.
All the characters. And let me see something I want to
check. Okay. After you finish a day, okay, so you can know which titles you worked on. Disconnected me again, one moment. I want you to not repeat on the same title twice. I will show you how to tag what you already did.
Okay.
Hello, sorry, I had a call. What's the password? 859. Hello, I'm sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. So, as I told you, after you finish a title, you can mark it as
Check
here
mark
with a
it.
V.
Yeah.
And what?
Check mark it. What I have done.
Yeah, just mark it. And after that, after you mark, you finish the day, you go up to bulk options, okay?
Yes.
And then you write on the tag the date you did those titles, like today if it was today, 25, and then you click go. It will ask you like to perform this section, you just click OK, and that's it. This is also my track of your work, okay?
Yes.
But you did the
right.
same day.
And if I revise some titles for next day, then I have to check again and write the comment again.
Yes, like if you came today to work, okay, and you started first title, second title, you just mark them and move on, and then you tag them at the end of the day, and the next day it will be it will start again from zero, so nothing won't be marked again from what you worked before. Okay.
Okay.
I hope I was clear. It's was kind of hard to explain. If you don't understand, please tell me.
No, I understand it well.
Great. So that's it for now. You just start work with this account, Yossi Van Motsdani. It has like 2,000 items, so big work there. Let's move on from there, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you for your help, and please let me know if you have any questions. Please send it on Skype, and I will reply as soon as I can.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Bye.
Good night.